In this video, we show how to replace power bus bar in a Dell Integrated Rack IR7000. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To begin, start by powering off the power shelf and all peripherals connected to the bus bar. Then remove the power whip and the strain relief bar. Next, open the chassis levers to release all bar clips and slide each component forward to disconnect from the bus bar. Use a laminated sheet of paper between the bottom of the rack and the bus bar during Busbar-Removal to avoid damaging the rack's paint. To remove the power bus bar, remove the screws at the bottom and top of the bus bar. Finally, lift the bus bar from the bottom of the frame and slide it out. Use a laminated sheet of paper between the bottom of the rack and the bus bar during bus bar installation to avoid damaging the rack's paint. To install the power bus bar, first align the bus bar at the top of the frame and carefully slide it into place. Next, tighten the screws at both the bottom and top to secure in its place. For more information or support about the Dell Integrated Rack IR7000, visit dell.com/support.